Diablo, mano, my allergies are fucking killing me today. I really hope I can edit out every single time I sneeze on this video. I make no promises though. Hey corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome back to my channel. That was a new one. Alright, before we get started, let's talk about the song of the week. Alright, so for this week, we got a new artist. And I am talking about Miss Gendry. Gendry? And the song I want to highlight from hers is Barrio. What a beautiful song. Like, the vibe, her voice is so sweet, so angelic, but also poignant. I don't fucking know how to describe it. I can't wait for her to come out with more music. I think she only has like 2 singles. I need a whole album, Miss Ma'am. I need a whole album, okay? That's it. Let's move on. Alright, so as you saw by the title of this video, today we're doing a little hair video. And today's a special one because today's video is in collaboration with Verb. Fucking Verb! I think their most popular product is their Ghost Oil. But today's video, I'm going to be introducing y'all to their newest product, which is also an oil, but it's different. So, first of all, thank you so much, Verb Products, for sponsoring this video. And now, let's get started. So, Verb Products is now launching their first ever 100% natural hair product, which is free of silicones, sulfates, parabens, and fragrance. And it's this beauty right here. It's the Verb Moringa and Jojoba treatment oil. She's a cutie. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how I've been incorporating this product into my weekly hair routine. Little bits of information about this product first. First of all, it is a treatment oil meant for all hair types. You don't need to have only wavy or curly hair to use this product. Ms. Verb describes it as a multi-use serum built to hit the reset button on damaged, brittle, and dry scalp. This pure silicone-free blend nourishes and balances the scalp while sealing in moisture. So the Moringa oil in this product helps to hydrate and nourish, while the jojoba oil helps with the repairing part of this process. And now I'm gonna show you how I've been using it. So yeah. First of all, let's let down this mane of her. Right. So this is what we're dealing with right now. It's not bad, but as you can see, like, there's some dryness going on in my hair. There's some stringiness. There's just a lot going on. So I'm gonna show you how I've been battling this situation. Okay, first of all, let's get this hair wet, shall we? Oh my god, my whole chest, everything is wet. It's okay, it's part of the process. All right, now that my ends are pretty soaked, I'm gonna be dividing my hair in at least 2 sections. I'm gonna take a nice moisturizing mask, a nice little dollop right there. And that's when Miss Verb Moringa Jojoba treatment oil comes in. And I can add a couple of drops of this goodness, or maybe a full dropper. Love how I said a few drops and just went ahead and did the whole thing. But I'm gonna take all of that and just run it all over the ends of my hair. I love that with this treatment oil, I can just add it to products that I already love and make them stronger and more moisturizing and more reparative and just better. I don't know, when I mask my hair, I like doing this. When I'm done applying like products to a section, I like doing this. I don't know why. It feels like I'm sealing in all the moisture. And I don't know. Maybe I'm just making that up. I don't know. Now I'm gonna do the same to the sections up here. And I feel like actually these are the parts of my hair that get the most dry and the most brittle. So we're gonna add a few more on these sections of my hair. All right, doing the same thing, taking a good amount of hair mask. Same thing again, gonna apply the full dropper. Mix it all together, you know? Okay, let me not get copyrighted. do the same thing. Wow, this just detangled my hair so easily. What the heck? All right, and now this is bonus. This is bonus. Like, this is just me being a little extra, but this never hurt nobody. I'm gonna take a few extra drops of this, not mixed up with my mask, just directly, full dropper. And I'm just gonna apply it directly on these like ends that get really weirdly dry for some reason, to really seal all that moisture in. And now we're good. We're nicely coated in our little serum oil situation. Now I'm just gonna clip it back and secure all that moisture in. Make sure it goes
absolutely nowhere.
Just clipping it with my little hair clip, and that's it. Now, this is the part that you get to decide how long you want to leave this on your hair. This treatment is designed for you to leave it either a few hours, a few minutes, or even overnight. I'm not gonna leave it overnight. I'm just gonna leave it for 20 to maybe 40 minutes if I get too busy. And then I'm gonna wash it off and I'll be right back to show you how I end this incredibly nourishing, moisturizing, reparative wash day. Be right back. Hi! What is this? Okay, let's take this hair out. Washing off that treatment was so satisfying because I didn't have to detangle my hair in the shower or anything. All right, let's get into this styling part of this video. Y'all have already seen me style my hair 7,500 times in my channel, but I need to show you guys this other product from Verb. It's not new, but it's new for me. And wow, I literally cannot stop using it. Y'all know how I've just kept coming back to Little Miss because I'm obsessed with her. She's my girl. But hey, I don't know how I've been sleeping on this. Why didn't y'all tell me? She's a beauty. She's amazing. Why didn't anybody tell me? I feel betrayed by the entire curly girl community. And she's also free of parabens, gluten, and sulfates. We love her. We love her in this household. And I think what I love the most about this cream, which is also the same reason why I really love Miss, is because they have almost the same exact texture, where it's like, it's very creamy. It's not gloopy, it's not liquidy, so it doesn't feel like it weighs my waves down. Not at all. Like, it really actually defines them and holds them. I take about that much for one side of my hair, and I use it the same way y'all have seen me apply creams over and over again. I just scrunch them in, and I really take the time to work this cream into my hair because it just really provides actual hold and definition. It's not just like a defining cream that just adds moisture, because I've used some of those. Yeah. Like, tell me you don't see a difference. You're lying. Plus, my hair is already so nourished and so moisturized thanks to my little friend right here. That girl, my hair is just absorbing everything like a sponge. Okay, let's move on to gel now. Y'all are probably so tired of hearing me talk about this gel, so I'm not even gonna mention it anymore. Whenever y'all see the green bottle, y'all know what's going on. Y'all know which one this is. Don't even play. Let me work this through really quick. I do it the exact same way. I just ran that defining cream through my hair. That's the exact same way I work my gel into my waves. Gel is just magical, and it just helps seal everything in. Just set those waves, set those curls right where they need to be. And I use quite a bit. Like, I am not afraid of gel, baby girl. Not in this household. One tiny bit more. Alright, and I know this step is so simple. You might feel like it doesn't make a difference, but for me, this is super important. Take the same microfiber towel that you used to dry your hair and just squeeze out some of that water excess and that excess product. And now, my friends, is the boring part. Drying my hair. I'll link another video up here if you guys are interested in seeing how I diffuse my hair exactly. So I'm just gonna go and come back once again. Don't go, don't leave. Hello once again. Okay, so my hair is dry for the most part, but as you can see, we have a gel cast. My hair is a little crunchy, and this is good. This is not a bad thing at all, because this is the perfect opportunity to show you guys another product from Verb that I am very late to the game, bro. I'm very late to the game. This girl right here, the Verb Ghost Oil, she hits different. But now that I'm about to show you, I want to point out that there's a big difference. I mean, not a super big difference, but there is a difference between these two products. The Verb Ghost Oil also has a Moringa blend. So it's nourishing, it's hydrating, it's all of those things. But it's a way more lightweight formula that's meant to be used like right after you style your hair. Just for some finishing touches, to add a little bit of hydration, a little bit of shine, etc, etc. The Moringa Jojoba treatment oil is exactly that. It's a treatment. It's a reparative treatment that should be used more like once or twice per week, especially when you want to add like a boost of hydration and nourishment to your hair. Even though they're similar, they're different. They're different. So for finishing touches, to break off this gel cast that I have, I'm gonna be using the Verb Ghost Oil. And I don't think I've actually ever shown this on my channel, because I always kind of skip the whole like scrunching out the crunch, which if you don't know, it basically means that when curly girls or wavy girls use like a stronghold gel or mousse, your hair can end up getting crunchy. And what you're supposed to do with that is just break the crunch, break that cast, so that then you're left with just bouncy, healthy, normal, soft ringlets. It actually helps with definition, and you can leave the gel cast for as long as you want, and then at the end of the day just like break it out, and you know, it helps. It's a really good thing. So what I'm gonna be using to break it off is first, obviously, the Verb Ghost Oil and a little root pick. I'm gonna put all my hair to like one side of my head. I'm gonna take not even a full pump, just like half a pump of the Verb Ghost Oil. Just rub it on my hands and just scrunch out the crunch, baby. Just literally do this. You can do this step without an oil. I just prefer doing an oil because it reduces the amount of frizz. Since I'm like touching my hair, you know, like causing friction, that usually causes frizz. But if I'm using an oil, it just reduces the amount of frizz that I can get, and it just adds shine and hydration to my hair, and that's what I want, baby. See how now it's looking more puffy, less crunchy? You see? You see? You see? Magical. Let's do the other side. Same thing. I'm gonna get another half pump. A little goes a very long way with this oil. And just do the same thing. All right, and now I'm gonna be using my little root pick. I think I've shown this in my channel. Just to pick at my roots, make sure that there's no excess product on my roots. Help them lift up. It helps with volume. It helps with just keeping your scalp clear of product residue, you know. And voila, baby, we scrunched out the crunch. And I'm pretty sure you can see the difference. Now my hair looks a whole lot less crunchy and like small. The ringlets look bigger, more defined. Baby, results. These are my favorite types of wash days. The ones that I can really take the time to do a mask, do a treatment like the one from Verb, and really take the time to nourish my hair, give it some really good TLC, take my time styling it, and then I get results like these. We got waves, we got curls, we got shine, we got bounce. Oh, and these parts over here that get super dry, look. They're not dry, they're not frizzy. They're looking good. My hair feels absolutely incredible. Full, shiny, bouncy, healthy, nourished, hydrated. Period. In conclusion, there's so many ways you can use the Verb Moringa and Jojoba treatment oil. I showed you my favorite ways. This is what works for me. But if you have dry scalp, girl, massaging this on your scalp must feel amazing. Leaving it on for a few hours. You can leave it on overnight. You can use it on your body, on your cuticles, on your elbows. Baby, versatility. So if you're interested in picking up any of these Verb products goodies, I'm gonna pop a discount code I have with them right here on the screen. I'll also put it in the description down below. And that's gonna be everything from me today. I really hope you guys found this helpful, informative, funny, I don't know, whatever it is. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Thank you again so much to Verb Products for sponsoring this video and for working with your girl. Also follow me on Instagram at Mimi06 for more pictures of my face, and on TikTok for more personality content. But most importantly, girl, boy, gender non-binary, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.